Yeah, my name is Ankur Biswas. I'm head chef at the Britannia Royal Naval College, and I'm also a creator and founder of Namo Curry Sauces. And the dish which we made today is a venison Namo Karai masala. And then dish is inspired from my childhood, where we grew up in foothills of Himalayas. And one night, Dad bought the whole carcass of a deer, and which mom never agreed. And by a matter of 2 weeks, we cooked. Uh, we deboned the carcass. We cooked venison stew, venison biryani, venison tikka masala, venison curry, and that's where it's inspired from. And then I investigated on the recipe very recently, like 5 or 6 years back, and that's where I found the recipe. Venison, is one of the meat, which is it's just grown here in Southwest. It's just in our backyard, and it's foraging on the natural grasses. There's no additives. It's not been fed with any artificial grains or anything. So whatever the flavor it just gets from the fields, from the earth. So it's pure. It's pure natural. It's pure nature, and venison meat itself, it's very versatile. It adapts to all the recipes. Many of the recipes from the beef, from the lamb, even goat. And many chicken recipes as well. So it's a very versatile meat. And it's very high in omega-3. We always think that omega-3 is coming from the fish, but venison meat is very high on omega-3 and rich in iron as well. It's lots available. It's lots available in the local butchers. So, and it's amazing meat to cook for. Curtis Pett's venison is one of the best, and it's so bright, fleshy. It's so after cooking, it's moist, and the curry which we made earlier, it just the meat just melts into your mouth. So it's one of the amazing products. Shoulder cut of venison, it works perfect because it just takes all the flavors from the curries. It takes the flavors, all the spices, and it just blends into it. And just a little bit of that fat which just cooks with the curries, it just comes out with a lot of flavor. Today the recipe which we made is from the Namo Karai sauce. It's an award-winning sauce, and it's available in the dark fresh. And some of the Namo Karai sauce, have a good family time cooking this one with your family during your Christmas leave, and enjoy it.